AI music videos are taking over YouTube right now. AI Music Nova has over 285,000 subscribers and more than 1 million views built on a simple, minimalist artist performance style. Do AI World? 712 subscribers and over 25,000 views in just 3 months. The best part? You can create equally stunning videos without expensive gear or a film crew using AI tools. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through ChatGPT, Suno, Zine, Vidu, and CapCut, so you can go from concept to a viral-ready music video. Subscribe now so you don't miss the free prompt packs and templates I'll share later in this video. Every viral AI music video starts with a strong concept, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. Simply type in the style, story, or theme you want. Here's the exact instruction I gave ChatGPT. Write an original R&B/soul song with deep emotional lyrics about a broken relationship and the lingering feelings after a breakup. The song should feel intimate and heartfelt, exploring themes of love, heartbreak, and emotional healing. Include vivid imagery that could be translated into a music video: rainy streets, late-night calls, empty beds, burning letters, or reflective moments in the mirror. ChatGPT then gave me a complete script with scene descriptions, emotional cues, and even camera shot suggestions. This script became the blueprint for the rest of the process. I created my static visuals in Zine AI. The key? Specific prompts. With my storyboard ready, I used ChatGPT to help craft detailed prompts. For example, create a wide cinematic shot of a black woman in her 20s staring out a rainy window at dusk. The name J fading in condensation. I pasted this into Zine, set the style to match a soulful R&B tone, and generated multiple versions, keeping only the ones with the strongest emotion. I repeated this for all 12 scenes, adding cues like soft golden sunlight or aerial shot to match the mood. Tip: use #cinematic. Mention light direction, mood, and environment. Small prompt tweaks can make a huge difference. With my lyrics and visuals ready, it was time to create the soundtrack. I used Suno AI to turn my text into a complete Afro-swing track. I even asked ChatGPT for style tag suggestions like R&B soul, piano-driven, male-female duet, emotional. I pasted those into Suno, clicked create, and within minutes, I had a complete track with instrumentals and vocals. I tested a few versions until I found the perfect one and then exported it as an MP3. If this is helping you, hit like and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Next, I brought my stills to life with Vidu AI. After signing up, I entered animation prompts, some with lip-sync instructions, so the AI matched mouth movement to my Suno track. For example, side view of both singers in a moody studio, back-to-back or face-to-face, singing with closed eyes, warm lighting, microphone between them. For the bed scene, aerial rotating camera over a bed, one side rumpled, sunlight streaming through blinds, atmospheric dust, cinematic realism. Vidu let me add subtle touches, camera pans, eye blinks, atmospheric motion, making still images feel alive. Tip: match your animation speed to your song's rhythm and emotional tone. Now that we've animated our music video in Vidu AI, it's time to bring the performance to life with lip sync. For this, we'll be using the Dreamface app. First, a quick note: Dreamface has 2 limits. On the free plan, you can only sync up to 30 seconds of audio. If you're on the pro plan, you can sync clips up to 180 seconds. So depending on your account, you'll need to trim your audio accordingly. Let's get started. Open CapCut and import your full song or voiceover. Trim the section you want to sync, make sure it's under the time limit. Once you're happy, export the audio only as an MP3 file. Keep things organized by naming each clip clearly. Now head over to Dreamface. Upload your avatar. This can be an image or even a short video of your character. Then, upload the audio file you just prepared. Once both files are ready, click generate and let the AI do its magic. Dreamface will automatically match the lip movements to your vocals, creating a natural performance. The processing might take a moment, so be patient. When it's done, you'll have a perfectly lip-synced video of your character singing your track. Review the result carefully, watch how the lyrics and lip movements line up. If you're satisfied, download the video. You can now bring it back into CapCut for your final edit, combining it with your Vidu AI animation and the rest of your visuals. This step is what makes your music video feel alive. Your character isn't just moving, they're performing your song. Finally, I brought everything together in CapCut. I imported my Vidu clips and synced them exactly to the Suno track using CapCut's beat detection. I added slow zooms, crossfades, and light leaks for emotion. CapCut also let me fine-tune lip-sync and color grade all my scenes so they felt cohesive. Cool blues for solos, one tones for duets. Tip: always color grade. AI visuals can vary slightly, and grading pulls everything together.
Your name in the fog on the glass, watched it fade like the love we let pass. Your sweater still hangs by the back of the door, but your laugh don't echo here anymore. Late night calls, I let them ring, still hear you in everything. Your ghost don't yell, it just sighs in every sleepless lullaby.
Your scent still lingers on the sheets, cold side of the bed still talks to me. I talk to the mirror like you're there, but it's just me and your empty stare. I packed your records, kept your lies, still dream of us on quiet nights. You left but never truly left, you're the shadow in every breath.
You're still in the room, though you're gone for good. Still feel your hands where you once stood. Love like a flame, not just the smoke, but every breath reminds us of the words we broke. We're learning to move, but we move with pain, still dancing in the echo of your name. Even if we never see us soon, you're still in the room.
I burned your letters one by one, still feel the heat, but not the sun. Ashes rise, but don't erase the way you touched my broken faith.
Your jacket's gone, but not your trace. Your toothbrush still guards your space. Healing's hard when love falls deep, and the wound don't let our hearts sleep. You're still in the room, though you're gone for good. Still feel your hands where you once stood. Love like a flame, not just the smoke, but every breath reminds us of the words we broke. We're learning to move, but we move with pain, still dancing in the echo of your name. Even if we never see us soon, you're still in the room.
I dress the bed, but leave your side untouched.
Can't fill the space, cannot love that much.
Sometimes strong feels just like numb,
and healing is a lie we whisper to become. You're still in the room, but I'm finding me a little less lost than I used to be. Love like a flame, we let it burn, but from the ash we start to light. We'll carry the ghost, but not the chain. We'll dance again, but not in pain. Even if we don't forget us soon, you're still in the room.
And that's the full workflow: ChatGPT for planning, Suno for music, Zine for stills, Vidu for animation, and CapCut for editing. Like, subscribe, and share your finished video in the comments. I'll feature my favorites in the next tutorial.